Arena in San Juan. Boom Gonzalez, Doc Ian Laurel. Direct Almeri at the helm of this live and exclusive ABS-CBN Sports presentation of UAAP Women's Volleyball 74th season. And a great game between UST and LaSalle at a packed house here at Volleyball Central. And the lead is up to 2 now for LaSalle.
UST having a difficult time getting their play going. Of course, Gumabaw with an excellent serve. Caballero not able to get that reception.
Gumabaw from the Holy Spirit High School sends it to the net.
Wow.
I'll keep you posted with the service errors. Right now, LaSalle is ahead 9-8.
It's like they're so generous in throwing away those free points via the service error.
Masyado mababa.
Mababa yun. Again, you've got that back quick play for Reyes. That was really low. No way for her to get that over and across the net.
So we're tied at 9. With Mike Ortiz.
Ganda ng serve. Nice serve.
Nice point. Oh, nakalamang na dito. Nakabawi na.
Nice serve. Last night, Boom, I was with some friends, you know, my friends from Yakal Street in our village, in Pilar Village, and they were really anticipating this match. Sabi nila, we're gonna watch it tomorrow, so let's go home early.
Well, it was even on Twitter. You know, people were talking about it. So I'm sure by now it's already trending. As we see Chuck Cruz again, perfect form, getting the point and getting the tie. 10-all. Hiritsuji getting the point there.
Wow, Hiritsuji finally hitting a clean one. He's had her attempts being stuffed, missing the line, going to the outside. This one was perfect for Hiritsuji.
Lastimosa from Ateneo de Cagayan. Good serve for her. Oh, Chuck Cruz keeps it alive. Chance here for UST. Combination play! And Caballero sends it home with a cracker.
But give credit to Chuck Cruz. You know, the most senior member diving on the floor, trying to save the play. And being back there, but again, that combination play, I told you this earlier, that they use a lot of this combination play with Caballero. And every chance they'll get, they're going to set up that play for Caballero.
Maraño is checked, denied, 13-10. And now the crowd is alive.
Those yellow balloons have started to wave again. Look at this. Good block.
Let's listen to LaSalle.
Ilang gusto mong gawin. Pero yung ng gagawin, tao mo, hindi mo nababla ko. Ako mas direct squeaky, madalin mo yan. Ha? Kung tayo na after sa palo, ipesa muna. Ito, hindi na lang yun ang waldo. Ganda, ano minute rin ba? Ito, nakita ko ganun. Diba? Iwan sa ginagawa.
Second round action between UST and De La Salle. La Salle winning in 5 sets last time out.
And these UST fans and De La Salle fans really came in today. I'm sure they ate an early lunch, trying to get to the arena earlier to get some parking space.
Daming tao kanina pa. Kasi may mga laro rin kanina mga events, no? La Salle, I think, won against Adamson earlier today in the men's volleyball.
And just like what we've been doing for the past years, Boom, we will televise the
semifinals.
Yeah, of the men's division. So another excellent. You're going to see the difference between the men's and the women's game.
Chuck Cruz getting a point off the serve to scores 2 straight points for LaSalle here, so they're behind only by 1.
And really, that shows you what quality of coaching Coach Ramil has been
Yes.
giving to this De La Salle squad. Great timeout right there.
Oh!
13 and 10. Now it's 13 all after that. It's 13 all after that timeout of Coach
Yes.
Ramil.
Offensive block. And a little bit of a stare down too right after. Nowhere to go. Esperanza and Maraño. And now Ingrid Reyes coming in for Lastimosa from the UST side. Panaticla again is checked. Caballero, masyadong ilalim. Now the lead goes to La Salle. Yes, Doc.
She tried to avoid the block and she sailed it too wide. Now De La Salle, after that timeout of Coach Ramil, 13 and 10 now, it's a 1-point lead for De La Salle.
Chacruz continues to serve. So she's racking up the points from that area. Up speed, Galang. Nobody there. And another point for La Salle and another chance to serve for Chacruz.
Timeout right now for UST.
They have to. Hindi na nila hintayin yung technical.
UST.
Beat 5 straight points. Saan ba na nanggaling yung puntos na yun? Spike error, miscommunication. Ha? Anong trabaho mo? Bablock sa kapapalo lang, hindi ka pwede mag-set. Ha? Pwede naman, di ba? Hindi mo bawal. Nag-violation ba? Kaya, sabi ko sa inyo, pagkatapos ng
We are at the arena on a Sunday. This game is going to cap off a weekend of great volleyball action. Yesterday, Ateneo winning against Adamson in 4 sets. And UE winning against National University in 5 sets. And then today, FEU beat UP in 3 sets. And ongoing is this La Salle UST matchup. And finally, UST breaks the momentum.
That's right. Coach Oji didn't want to wait for that technical timeout. Called that one, and right now we see that they scored a point. But more importantly, tinawag niya sa timeout, sabi niya, it's because of our errors. And true enough, they have 8 unforced errors right now, only in this set. This set.
You're talking about UST.
UST. So tama siya, yung 5 straight points that La Salle had was because of their errors.
So La Salle gets into the second technical timeout with a 2-point lead.